In the twilight hours of warm summer's night, a mesmerizing light show takes place. It's a spectacle of nature performed by tiny creatures known as fireflies. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, are neither flies nor bugs but bioluminescents, beetles belonging to the Lymphridae family. These enchanting insects inhabit a variety of environments from forests and fields to marshes and gardens across the globe. Their glowing lights captivate the heart of many, inspiring wonders and curiosity. But what makes fireflies glow? The secret lies in the unique biochemistry. Fireflies produce light through a process called bioluminescence. This occurs in specialized cells known as photocytes located in their lower abdomen. In these cells, a chemical reaction takes place involving luciferin, luciferase, ATP, and oxygen. When these components interact, they produce light with remarkable efficiency, emitting with a very little heat. Interestingly, not all fireflies flash in the same way. Each species has its own unique light pattern and frequency. These light patterns serve as a form of communication primarily for attracting mates. Male fireflies typically fly around emitting specific light pattern while females respond with their own signals from the vegetation. This intricate dance of lights ensures that fireflies find the right partner. Scientists are fascinated by fireflies not only for their beauty but also for the potential application of the bioluminescent. Research into firefly enzymes and luciferin has led to advances in medical imaging, forensic science, and environmental monitoring. Fireflies also hold a special place in human culture. For many, catching fireflies in a jar is nostalgic childhood memories. These glowing insects are a symbol of summer and are often featured in literature, art, and folklore around the world. However, firefly populations are declining in many areas due to the habitat loss, light pollution, and pesticides use. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these luminous insects and ensure future generations can enjoy their magical displays. Simple action like planting native vegetation, reducing outdoor lighting, and avoiding chemicals can make a big difference in supporting fireflies' habitats. Simple action like planting native vegetations, reducing outdoor lighting, and avoiding chemicals can make a big difference in supporting firefly habitats. As night falls, fireflies remind us of nature's wonders, illuminating the dark with their tiny, brilliant lights. They are a testament to the intricate and delicate balance of our ecosystem. As night falls and fireflies begin their luminous dance, we are reminded of the delicate beauty and interconnectedness of our natural world. These tiny lights inspire wonders and awe, illuminating the night with their silent symphony. Cherish these small wonders and take action to protect them. For as long as fireflies light up the night, we are reminded of the magic that exists in our Delhi. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video,